So, magandang gabi dito sa Gabi sa Kabilin. So, narito tayo sa harap ng Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Incorporated at sa Casa Gorordo. So, ngayon, subukan natin mag-interview ng mga tao, no? Para malaman natin kung alam ba nila kung saan sila pupunta o alam nila kung ano ang narito, anong meron dito. Good evening. Okay lang ba kung magtanong kami, mag-interview kami sa inyo? No? Okay lang, no? Okay lang naman, di ba?
Okay lang.
Ayan, na-ambush na kayo. So, hello, my name is Jet, no? Hello. So, pwedeng malaman yung names niyo?
Names.
Ichang?
Gina.
Gina and...
I see.
Oh, so kaya kami napunta dito kasi napansin namin na ang gaganda niyong tatlo, no? Tapos ang lalakas niyo kumain. Okay. So, alam niyo ba kung anong meron dito? Bakit ang daming tao?
Oo, celebration ng ano 'yun? Rise of the Queen. No. Ito na 'yun. Ano 'yan?
So, ayun, huwag kayong ma-pressure. Huwag kayong ma-pressure, okay?
Gabi sa Kabilin. Gabi sa Kabilin.
Oh, tama. So, may balak ba kayong puntahan yung mga sites? Ayan, ngayon nakita nyo na, ang saya-saya. Or after eating. Sige, yun lang. So, enjoy nyo lang muna yung pagkain nyo. Tapos, kung gusto nyo, sumahan nyo kami. Kung ayaw nyo naman, okay lang din. Sige, thank you. So, hello, nandito kami ngayon sa University of Southern Philippines Foundation Rizaliana Museum. So, meron kaming interviewin na napakagandang lalaki, okay? So, eto po. Ano pong pangalan nyo?
I'm Dr. Alvin Zamora. Yeah, I'm the curator of this museum.
Okay, so ano po ba yung makikita natin dito sa lugar na po?
Okay, what actually stored in our museum, first and foremost, our museum is considered to be one of the most unique museum in Central Visayas. This is a repository of a national treasure in Central Visayas because what we are actually keeping are the original clothing of Dr. Jose Rizal, our national hero. Plus, we are the only museum in the Philippines to have kept an original flag of KKK where you can see it there at the lobby.
Mamaya, so puntahan natin yun mamaya.
Yeah.
So, ngayon, saan po ba tayo pwedeng pumunta para
sure. I can tour you around inside the museum where you can see, aside from the original clothing of Jose Rizal, there are also original letters of Josephine Bracken, the wife of Jose Rizal.
Curious lang ako, kasi meron dito mga pictures ng magagandang babae. So, ano po ba itong mga to?
Yeah, these are actually the women that's somehow responsible on Rizal's successes in his life, starting from Segunda Katibak, his first puppy love, until Gertrude Beckett, when he had a chance going to London. Yeah, in every places that he went through, it's actually becoming a part of his normal life, being, infatuated with these ladies and get inspired with these ladies.
So, nag-range siya from friends, MU, na friend zone?
More or less, probably because Rizal was just so intelligent and these women were just easily attracted to Rizal's intelligence. You know how it is being a European women, usually they get easily attracted to those men who are good in letters. And Rizal was very good at that, like writing.
Punta tayo ng Europe, ha? So, sige. Okay, sige po.
Alright.
Okay, tara.
Okay, so our museum is divided into two sections. So we have here, this area here are all the replicas. We tend to replicate some clothing of Dr. Jose Rizal. But the purpose of this replica actually is to also give the chance of our neighboring regions to get to see in these clothing of Jose Rizal, which are found in our museum. And aside from that, we also have there the original clothing of Dr. Jose Rizal. By the way, our museum is the only museum in Central Visayas to have kept several copies of one of the oldest newspaper in the Philippines, the Los Lingos del Diario de Manila, and it's over there. Yeah, those are original. And also, we have there the replica of Rizal's Nolimi Tangere.
So hello, good evening. Ako pala si Jet from viewfinderprojects.com. So ano pa lang mga pangalan ninyo?
Chloe. I'm Julie. Jeline.
So Chloe, Julie, and Jeline. So may tatanong sana ako mga questions kung okay lang sa inyo, no? So paano kayo naging involved sa event na to na Gabi sa Kabilin?
So actually, pumunta kami dito because we are volunteers. Because few weeks ago, we are OJTs here. So tumulong na kami for the preparation for this event.
So anong sa tingin nyo ang naging malaking contribution nitong event na to para sa Cebu, para makilala ang Cebu? Sa tingin nyo ba magiging mag-drive to ng maraming tourists o makikilala ng mas marami ang Cebu? O anong thoughts nyo about sa event na to?
Of course, it is a great contribution, especially to the tourists. Example are from other countries. Kasi yung feedback na this event will promote Cebu City, especially the historical places in Cebu.
So hello, nandito kami sa YAP, San Diego Ancestral Home. Tapos nakita namin yung dalawang magagandang babae, no, na naglalakad. So paano kayo napunta dito sa lugar na to?
We subscribe to Gabi sa Kabilin. Subscribe kami.
Actually, we just wanted to tour around the museums. But I'm from here, and she's from another area here in Cebu. But I'm really from downtown, so I'm just showing her around. But what I know of this is not part of the route, diba? This place.
So ano naman yung nafe-feel nyo ngayon na nandito kayo umiikot?
It's very warm and humid.
Oo nga pansin na pansin.
Buti may service fan sila.
Oo.
But at the same time, it's so nice to know na buhay na buhay yung culture and heritage. Yung pinipreserve talaga yung heritage. Because in my part of the city sa Labangon, wala nang mga ganito. So, I'm very proud to be Cebuano din. Because I see the evidence.
Okay. Ang gaganda, no? Okay ba? Sorry. Thank you.